Well, finally getting around to getting a final tour of the Caboose. This was a travel trailer. Ripped it all the way down to the frame and rebuilt it back up. Probably 95% of the wood is all milled myself. Just finished the railing last year. So we're gonna go tour. I finally finished the inside. I'm not sure if there's what more I have to do. As of right now, it's pretty much done. A lot of this wood I didn't know if I was going to stain or not. Some of them I did and some of them I didn't. I don't mind the natural stuff. This is all ash milled off my property. I used the old panel from the travel trailer. Basically got it wired into outlets around here. I didn't need to use the low voltage or anything, but I just used the 220 or the 110. I just got a cord goes out and plugs into an outlet set just for this. It's a nice little build. I've only slept in it once. I'm actually thinking about turning it into a summertime rental for like 2 nights a week or something for people. Built a little table. It's a little awkward on the table, but hey, it's built from scratch, built-in benches. We were going to do cushions, never got around to it, and I probably won't do cushions. It just make more work for cleaning and stuff. I built this for this location, so there's no windows on that side because it's a driveway side. I probably should have put one in. I think there was a couple more spots I was going to do some trim, but I had wanted to wait and see, and then I need a ladder for that bunk back there. This ladder's here. Got a bunk up there and got windows on both sides. I even got a spot where that's a nice exhaust fan. That was before I got too far with it. I decided it's going to get hot up there in the summertime, so that's operated off the switch down here. You can turn it off up there too. But yeah, I think really the only thing I would do is either get a little ladder or build something for the top bunk. And then each bunk has a bed. Each bunk actually has their own electrical outlet. You can see with everybody's electronics these days. That way they can charge your phone. This area over here, I always thought I'd put a TV or some sort, but I don't know. I'm not sure I'm going to bother with a TV. I mean, these days people can send stuff from their phone to the TV if you get the right TV. So I don't know. I might get a small one in here, but I think people that would rent this, if I rented it out, going to be young and active and be doing things. And be honest with you, with everybody's phones, they can get their entertainment on their phone. But it's turned out really good. I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, I didn't. Some things I finished, some things I didn't. As far as the wood goes, all this is just fresh cut pine right here. I didn't finish it. I actually like the look. I like the look what it is. So, and then the flooring, that's one spot I decided for I guess for the easiness of cleaning. This is just a nice laminate. It wasn't a great quality, but it wasn't a cheap quality. I bought it like a middle range laminate. Put it down. That way, yeah, it'll be easy to sweep up and all that, and a couple chairs and in it, and hey, it's done, it's ready. And I don't know if I showed off this ceiling yet. That was one spot I spurged. I didn't make that wood. I wanted that on there. It just the arch just makes it look like an old. I don't know if old cabooses look like this or not. I saw some pictures there. Most of the old ones had round roofs, but never did look in the inside. But that just thought it looked good. The upstairs I did more of a, just plywood, and all those strips up there I ripped. I left the two unfinished, and I painted everything else. It's nice having it painted in a sense. That way, if I ever get a leak through, I'll know there's a leak. Actually, I guess wood would probably do it too, but so far it's been really good. It's probably about ready to do for some caulking ups outside, but it'll be summertime. Well, that's about it for now. This is, I show you the door here I did on the door. Home built door, it's still holding square, and if you notice on here, we push this down and it's locked. Now, I have to redo this. This is part of the thing that I think that didn't get redone after I finished something, but it fits in there. I think I had it working before I had all the trim up. It's not something you need very often, but I guess if somebody wants to be locked in here, if they're worried about someone coming in. He's noticed the cable there. Originally it was rope, and I had a great fear of it breaking, so I put a cable in there so it won't break. I kept thinking, yeah, it'd be horrible if it braked. That wood, even though I dried that wood in my kiln, you can see I got some gaps on it. I might end up having to go back and put in some strips where all the little cracks are. Or it maybe be just the front side needs to be pounded in. Yeah, it's funny. I notice things later. Yeah, I got the strips on them, so yeah. Probably should have caulked them first, but I think it's basically with time. This door is faces the south, so you're gonna get your worst shrinkage on this from the sun that way. But hey, if you like this video, click like, and if you want to see more of my stuff from Pigtown Pines, click subscribe. Till then, goodbye.